People's Cuento, Volume 1, Maleta Politics versus Duterte Politics, Chapter 2, SPMC or Southern Philippine Medical Center, A Legacy of Growth. Originally established in 1917 as the Davao Public Hospital with only 25 beds, SPMC has undergone a massive transformation sa dami na gusali dito. Today, it stands as the largest government hospital in the country. Kulang na lang gawin itong sariling barangay na may sariling zoning permit. It isn't just a clinic, it's a premier multi-specialty hub, world-class specialties. What makes SPMC truly stand out is its ability to provide specialist care that was once only available in Manila. So less airfare, more survival. The Mindanao Heart Center. Medical ha, hindi yung iniwan ka sa scene zone. The Cancer Institute offering comprehensive oncology services. The Children's Cancer Center, a true beacon of hope. At least dito, may laban ka. Pinupuntahan nga pala to ni Digong bilang tradisyon niya tuwing Pasko. Kinukumusta niya ang mga pasyente at binibigyan niya ng regalo. At madami pang iba.
This will extend the video if I mention all of them.
Service to the people. As a DOH retained hospital, SPMC is a primary destination for no balance billing policy. Ito yung sinasabi ni President Marcos na pag di ka nag-research, akalain mo na susundin ng lahat ng hospital. E di na mali ka, isipin mo, world-class care na zero balance pa. Parang promo, pero legit. Siyempre, ang kapalit lang naman ay ang pila na parang may sariling timeline. Minsan, feeling mo may sequel na yung buhay mo bago ka pa matawag. Sana naman gawan ng action item ng DOH to. Beyond the wards. SPMC is also a major teaching and training hospital, producing some of the nation's top doctors and nurses. Dito mo kikita ang resident doctors na mas marami pang kape kaysa dugo sa katawan. Naka-autopilot na sa duty. This culture of constant learning ensures that the staff stays at the cutting edge of healthcare. Kahit sila mismo, minsan kailangan na rin magpahinga. Conclusion, SPMC is more than just a collection of buildings. It's a symbol of decentralized healthcare. Patunay ito na hindi mo na kailangang lumipad pa ng Manila para lang gumaling. Pwede ka nang ma-stress dito locally. It serves every Filipino who walks through its door. Basta handa ka lang magdala ng pasensya, tubig, snacks at syempre power bank. Kasi baka malobat ka muna bago ka matawag. Now the question, why is this only in Davao? This is Sarcastic Pinoy. Thank you for watching.